Hi there, I'm Zayden. I'll do a quick walk around here for you on the Cascada. There's 32,000 miles on it, which I'm sure you saw there on the website. All the tires are good. Not sure what the weather is like out in Georgia, but this does have heated seats and heated steering wheel up front. It also does have lane sense, so if you go out of your lane, it'll steer you back in. Dual temp controls. Here's your heated seat and heated steering wheel button. Chargers down here. This is how you control the top, so I'll get a video of this here. Windows roll down, and you hold this. And that is in good shape. The lady that traded this in, she was local to our area. She bought a Compass, and she had it for a few years. And I'd be happy to provide you guys with a Carfax as well, if you didn't see that on the website. But so yeah, there you guys go. If you have any other questions about it, please feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks.